Alright, it's the RE5 Expert 2006. And bike check number 3. During the third bike check, because I got some new parts. I got this 25 tooth shot of conspiracy crank and burn sprocket. And a new rim. It's an Alien Nation rim. Lists to a profile cassette hub with a 14mm axle. I don't know if you can see that. It's a lot louder though. The bike's just doing a lot better. I mean, it's like 14 pounds, or not 14, like 20 some pounds, or 22, 23 pounds. Looks a lot better. I just love my bike. It's doing a lot better than it was. I love this new sprocket. It's so sick, 25 tooth. Alright, well, I'm gonna go. Alright, see ya.